Hi guys, now I want to show you this Russian lens. It's a MIR-38B 65mm f3.5 lens. So this is the front element. This is the side. Okay, this is the back. It's a medium format lens. From my research, I think it's a Pentacon 6 mount. So you can either use it on the Kiev 88 or use it on the Pentacon 6, or you can also adapt to other medium formats or full frame like SLR or DSLRs, and we still you can still use it nowadays. So okay, so I'll show you the quality of the glass through a shine test. Okay. Okay. So yeah, there you go. Medium format lens, Kiev MIR-38B 35 f3.5. Yep. I'll show you the blade as well. So the blade works. Yeah. Alright. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. It will really help. And see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye. God bless. Oh, and one more thing about this Kiev. The blades. I forgot to show you the blades. So this is the blades. Okay. Okay. And this pin will it's like an auto aperture thing. Yeah. Alright. Thank you everyone.